So this boot came apart, and I thought before throwing it away or before taking it to the a shoe repair person, because as you can see, that's where it came apart there, it pulled apart. What happens is this part here, that goes there, and this part comes around. Somehow it goes in here, I guess, so like this. It goes in here, and then it clamps down like that. And what happened was this just pulled apart, literally pulled apart right there. So I just thought I would try this. And I thought I'd make a video with the zip ties, about the zip tie use, because I use zip ties on everything. These are ultraviolet outdoor zip ties. They have to say ultraviolet. I always get ultraviolet, because if they don't say ultraviolet resistant, then they become brittle very fast. So I always check that. That's one thing I always check when I buy zip ties. I don't know if this is going to work, but I thought I would try it. Okay, there it is. So as you can see, it looks like it's held together pretty well now. Of course, I'll still need to try it on and make sure it actually can be worn. Okay, now this piece has to be able to go on, right? Okay. Going to use red Loctite. I'm not recommending anyone use red Loctite. I'm just using it because I don't want these screws to ever come out. And if I do want to take the screws out, it'll require a heat, some kind of heating it up. Heating up the threads, the screws. That allows it to come out. Okay, let's see if this will reach here. Because the zip ties take up space. It's not reaching. I need a longer screw now. But then it could, yeah, okay, let's see. Let's see. Maybe I can push from the back side. That did it. I just pushed against the back side. It allowed, I just reached in and pushed against the other side. That allowed me to reach the threads. Okay. Looks like it's gonna work, dude. That does look like it's gonna work. Now I'm tightening this snug, which means not as tight as I can make it. But when I feel it starting to slow down, I just go a little bit more. Because I do not want to ruin the threads or damage the threads. Okay, now the way the boot works is, I'll be able to show you now, is as you see here, see this part? That goes in here. Now if I connect it to this one, that's going to be a tighter, right? Because it's pulling this further along, right? If I put it to this closer one, that's not as tight. That's the one I use. And then I lock that in. So it still works. And I've used zip ties to allow the boot to have a longer life. And I didn't have to buy new boots. And that was, as you saw before, was badly damaged. That looked like it was done. I mean, but I did this with zip ties. And because these are UV, ultraviolet resistant, meaning they will not deteriorate with sunlight, these will not become brittle over time. I only use zip ties that are the strongest material and always ultraviolet resistant. These are just Harbor Freight zip ties. They were just like a couple dollars, and I think I used the 20% off coupon for them, so they were not very much at all, just a couple dollars. for a big pack of them. Okay, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Save it in a playlist if you want to, and share it. And that's zip ties right there. And from the inside, nothing has changed. I'm not going to feel anything in there because I did not go all the way through this. I just went to the other side of the outer area, this rubber area. And as you see, it works. See? And this is all still durable. Everything's still very strong here. This is all, it's not brittle. I'm not sure how that cracked like this. It might have been from, it was being pulled too tight and it ripped it. But this is not brittle, this is strong still. This has a lot of life left in it. Many, many years of use remaining. And as you can see at the bottom, these are still in good condition down here. See the treads? So these are really like new. They really are like new. It has all the tread here, as you can see. There's no reason to throw these away. Zip ties gave this boot a new life. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.